Good day everyone, my name is Jim Shanel Vasquez. Title of my report is about nature of leading. So first is leadership. Leadership is a process of influencing others to achieve group or organizational goals by Williams. Jones and George in the year 2013 defined leadership as the process by a person exert influence over other people and inspires, motivates, and direct their activities to help achieve group or organizational goals. And the person who exerts such influence is a leader. When leaders are effective, the influence they exert over others help a group or organization achieve its performance goals. In modern organization, leadership functions can be performed by several or many participants. And the next is leading and managing. Although effective managing requires leadership, leading and managing are not the same. So what is the difference between leading and managing? One common way of answering that question is to consider leading as a subset of managing. Managing is the work of creating and maintaining environments in which people can accomplish goals efficiently and effectively. Managing involves coordinated use of technical, financial, and human resources. In managing, managers perform various functions such as goal setting, planning, organizing, and controlling. In this context, leading is one type of managerial behavior. Leading is the behavior that involves the manager in interpersonal and interaction with people. By Albanese in the year 1990. So next is differences between leaders and managers by Williams. Provide the following distinction between leaders and managers. So first is leaders. Focus on vision, mission, goals, and objective, while managers focus on productivity and efficiency. So the second one is leaders. Leaders see themselves as promoters of change and challengers of the status, and that they encourage creativity and risk-taking, while managers are to see themselves as preservers of the status. And third, leaders are take a long-term perspective while managers have relatively short-term perspective. And the fourth is leaders are more concerned while expanding people choices and opinions, while managers are concerned with control and limiting the choices of others. And the fifth is leaders inspire, motivate others to find their own solution, while managers also solve problems so that others can do their works. And last one is leaders more concerned with end, what gets done, while managers are more concerned with means, how to get things done. How leaders influence others. So there are varied ways to influence. So this can be done by convincing, by appealing, by complimenting, by harassing, by implying support, by demanding, by trading, or by blackmailing. There's a mixture of the positive and negative act. So next is, why do people accept the influence of a leader? So first is power. Is the capacity to affect the behavior of others. Leaders is organization typically rely on some or all six major type of power by Bartol and Martin. Legitimate power is stem from a position's placement in the managerial hierarchy and the authority of vested in the position. And then reward power is based on the capacity to control and provide valued reward to others. Coercive power depend on the ability to punish others when they do not engage in desired behavior. And then expert power is based on the position of expertise that is valued by others. And information power results from access and control over the distribution of import, important information about organizational operation and future plan. And the last is referent power, result from being admired, personally identified with, or liked by others. And that's all my report. Thank you and God bless.